Welcome back guys to another video of T's Fishing. Today we're actually going to be fishing for some saltwater fish in this beautiful, well not so beautiful right now, but it has its own beauty as in the waves and stuff. But yeah, it's on the Pacific Ocean, so a little rain in the mainland can mean massive waves here, so hopefully we'll catch fish in some calm water today, but it looks to be pretty dangerous, so we'll have to get farther away from the ocean, which means there's less fish. But yeah, let me show you how the waves are looking today. That wave right there is about 10 meters high. You guys can understand how big that is. That is unfishable. Those waves are massive. Okay guys, so my dad caught this greenling, and the thing is, it's как у тебя так далеко? Oh, the hook should be barbless.
Oh, super.
Look, he's swimming off. Okay, he's gone. Great, guys. Guys, I told you guys there's a... Oh, no! No! At least I got that on camera, guys. Guys, my dad just caught another one.
Big one.
I didn't even get to...
Большое. Что-то повело.
Big greenling. Давай сюда, неси его. И сейчас будешь леской поднимать. Okay, guys. Давай мне удочкой. Леской. His rod's gonna break. Oh my god, guys. Oh yeah. Опять. Oh my god. Whoa, what is that?
Ты когда-нибудь видел такую большую?
Guys, look at this. This is like mine big one. The one I caught yesterday was like this size. So yeah, let's unhook him and release him. Guys, check this out. My dad's dude, look at that beautiful greenling, guys. My dad's personal best, and look at the gut on this guy. Okay, давай, отпускай. Okay, my dad's gonna release him. Кидай его плавно в воду, хорошо, чтобы он... Давай, let's go. Boom, there he goes. That's a big one, guys. Там огроменный, папа. Guys, got it. I saw it. Dude, guys, I sight fished that thing. Oh, yeah. Boom. Yeah, my first one I get to catch on camera, guys. I'm gonna put mine in the water for now. Oh, he caught a male. Or no. What did he catch? Guys, I didn't even have time to do anything. This is the prettiest greenling I've ever seen. Look at this guy. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. Look how pretty that is. That didn't hit the rocks, by the way. But yeah, look. Look how pretty that is. Whoa, what are those? That's his little ear flaps or whatever the hell that is. Pop, слышь, такого слоил, Pop. Wow, guys, check those out. He has some weird ear flaps on him. This is literally beautiful. I have this rough identification. I don't know where the sun is coming from, but you guys see beautiful greenling. Bye-bye. There he goes. Okay, guys, so this greenling, again, swallowed it. I don't understand what's going on with all these greenlings swallowing the bait, but all my last ones yesterday, I used the same exact hook, everything, and none of them swallowed it. But if the eye is facing that way, then the hook should be facing that way. There you go, guys. See, that's a perfect way to unhook greenling. So you guys see this guy? Absolute beauty. You guys see that? Beauty, guys. Okay, let's release him. Okay. Bye-bye. There. Guys, oh my god, guys, that's big, guys. That's big, guys. That's a big greenling. No, he's just wrapped, guys, No way! What? I snagged him! Guys, right in the, okay, not in the ass, but in this fin. What the hell? What? How is there that much? How is that possible? Guys, I'm not a snagger, but you guys see this? Guys, how is that possible? Explain, dude. This is literally... How do you get yourself snagged? Buddy, you're funny. Okay, you're funny. There he goes. Oh, Bill. Hi, guys. I caught one. Yeah. Guys, so first fish, literally off this new spot, and it's a big one, lets me tell you. That's a big one, guys. Look at that big beast. Look at that beast, guys. Put him down on this rock. Beauty. Look at that. Okay, guys, there he is. Let me release him. Boom. There he goes. Decent day, really good day actually. I haven't been in the Pacific Ocean for so long, just fishing like little inlets and stuff and like closer to the mainland, but man, this is fun. It's also pretty dangerous too. I mean, I have all my shoes are wet. Like I stood on a rock and wave just went boom. I didn't expect it, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the next video, and subscribe and like the video if you really like the video. But yeah, bye.